Encoding is not an accountant's job anymore. Ang dami kong kakilalang accountants, buong umaga hanggang hapon ang ginagawa, nag-encode lang ng resibo, invoices, and expenses. Pero when it comes to monthly reporting, wala namang maayos na napoproduce. Kung accountant ka, you're supposed to be spending a lot of your time in giving insights. Dapat ang conversation, boss, kung itutuloy natin yung promo with perceived 40% increase in sales, lalaki income natin by 15%. Dapat ganun. Pero paano mo gagawin yun kung ubos na yung oras mo sa pagtatype? I remember one accountant, pinush niya na mag-automate sila ng accounting system and everything changed. Transactions entered real time, receipts scanned and recorded automatically. Suddenly, may extra hours na siya at ginamit niya yun to analyze data, spot trends, and magbigay ng advice sa boss niya. And guess what? Yung boss, mas natuwa kasi hindi na lang siya nagbabayad for encoding kundi for real-time financial guidance. Yon ang tunay na value ng accountant. Kaya kung napapansin mong 80% ng oras mo encoding lang ang ginagawa mo, think again. Your real role is to think, analyze, and advise. Automation helps you get there. Let these tools make it easier for you so you can do the thinking. Mas fulfilling para sa'yo, mas valuable ka sa business. This is the power of accounting automation, and if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Laging tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.